Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name in the Trendyol app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we can shop. From here we just go into the account menu. Then we scroll down and under account we find my personal data. We tap on this and here we can enter our name and surname to change it. Let's say it's Jam Add, and then we can tap on update and it should be updated. You can also add your mobile phone number here, but first you have to select the area code beforehand, but this should be set automatically since you already selected your region. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.